So he survived. He's not completely. He's almost here, but you see he doesn't have the bike. The bike is safely across both. Here he goes. He just found a spider down there, so it's really serious now. I'm sure there's other stuff in that water. He has the leap of faith. Bam!
I did it.
He did it. So
let's get the hell out of here.
That's fucking crazy.